What's up, guys? Getting ready to put this thing here in the dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's anything to do with James Taal, it'll be in the dark.
It'll definitely be dark.
Hey guys, so today we're going out to Cleetus McFarlands again to tint some cars for James Taal and Parker Mitchell. We're gonna take all the film with us. We got everything loaded up. They're taking the Rocky Mountain Race Week trailer this time, so we have plenty of room for everything. We're gonna take some chairs, some tables, drinks, all the film, and knock out maybe 4 or 5 cars out there, and then that'll be it. So stay tuned for this. We made it out here. We're gonna head over to the Freedom Factory Aviation Hangar and knock out some cars. Let's go. It's kind of weird, like nobody's anywhere.
Ghost town right now.
Look at this place. I'm used to seeing all these people here. We tinted that Tesla. That's Freedom Frank's Tesla. Just waiting on everybody to get over here with the cars. Let's go. All right, change of plans. So we're gonna head over to Cletus's actual shop and tent over there. So let's get it. All right, we're about to knock out James' truck. It's gonna get 5 single layer ceramic all the way around. Front windshield, probably double layer ceramic 30. Got my man out here.
What's up, guys? Getting ready to put this thing here in the dark.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's anything to do with James Taal, it'll be in the dark.
It'll definitely be dark. That's how he likes it. Let's go. So we're gonna get this knocked out. We got Barry over here knocking it out. We got Philip over here helping out. Let's get it done, guys. Barry got the 2 fronts knocked out on the Cayenne. Check it out, came out super clean. Couldn't ask much more from Barry, right?
Right.
That's what you do. That's what you know. So this thing's for Parker's wife. Super clean Cayenne. All right, we already finished up. We finished up James's truck, but we got to do the windshield, so me and Barry are gonna knock out that now. Probably pull the next car in over there and get started on that. But let's go, let's do it. We're out here with James. We're about to hook up the new wife's Silverado.
Yeah, 2024 Silverado.
Yeah, let's go.
You guys know the deal needs a tent.
Needs blacked out tent.
Yeah.
So,
Don't want to be seen in that thing, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, nobody needs
Gotta
to be
have that
seeing
dark
her
tent
in
like
there.
Dodge in there.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this hooked up. We got a few others to do out here. Couple for Parker. I'm not sure which else, but we're gonna get them knocked out. Let's go. She's gonna do it again. All right, the truck's done. Now we're gonna put in the windshield. Barry and Philip, whatever his name is. I forgot his name for a second. My bad. It's all done.
Let me go see, make sure you did a good job.
Yeah, I definitely did a good job.
Oh man, look at that thing. It's exactly what it needed.
Yep.
I mean, she looking right.
30 on the windshield, 5 all the way around.
Perfect.
Yeah, I say she'll be nice and cool in there. We put the double ceramic on it too.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
I like it here.
Yeah, well, yeah. Let's go.
As always, man.
No problem. Let's do it. James's truck is all done. It's out of here. Now we're gonna work on the next one for Chad. Is a 24 Tacoma. He's gonna get 15 all the way around, single layer ceramic, and then 50 on the full windshield as well. We're gonna knock this thing out. I'll probably time lapse it, so stay tuned for that. It's all done pretty much. Barry's putting the windshield in now. Check this out. Show them how you do it, Barry.
This is how we do it.
Yeah, so we're putting 50% on this to protect the dash and keep all the heat out of the truck. Nice ceramic, single layer ceramic XR. I'll take that. Look at Barry with the competitor shirt on. Solar Guard.
What are you doing? Switched.
You switched from XPEL to Solar Guard?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That's that on this one. Next, we're gonna bring in the Model Y. Do the same thing on that one. It's gonna get 15 all the way around, 45 on the windshield. Let's go. This one's done. Check it out. You know, super clean. 50 on the windshield, 15 all the way around, even over the stained glass. Oh my God. All right, so we got the Tesla in here, working on it. Got Barry doing the door. Phil's doing the back, doing the windshield. Let's go. So we got the Tesla done. Check it out. You know, super clean. We did 45 on the windshield, 15 all the way around, even over the stained glass. Check this thing out. Oh, super nice. Yeah. All right, so the Tesla's finished. We did 50 on the windshield, 15 over the rest. This is the last one for the day. I'm gonna pack it up and get out of here. Barry's cleaning it up. Check that out. You can still see how it looks really nice. It's ready. Check it out.
Dude,
what do you
it
think?
looks fantastic. I
Yeah.
can't be seen, especially when I'm rolling around in this crew.
That's what you need in Florida, man. It's so hot in Florida. You gotta have
Oh
a
yeah,
tent.
no, it's so much nicer.
Yeah, it came out super clean. Check it out. Still visibility out. It'll be 10 times cooler in there and everything. So
Nice. How long till I roll down the window?
3 days.
3 days.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you, man.
All right.
Great work.
Hell yeah. Thanks, man. We'll see you next time. Alright guys, that's it for out here at Cletus's. We finished all the cars. Everybody's happy, feeling a lot cooler. Got all Expo ceramic film on all the cars. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and we'll see you on the next one.